Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Mary. Good evening, children. How are you all? Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am. Good evening. Good evening, beta. So let us start. Application of trigo only.
Yes.
Have you done the worksheet questions which I have shared?
Last time I had 4 questions, ma'am, to ask, ma'am, or 2
Excuse me,
questions.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, can you once revise quadratic equation?
Yeah. Okay, for 10 minutes we will revise this quadratic equation, then we will do our application of trigonometry. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See, what is your quadratic equation? Moksha, what is quadratic equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Moksha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
What is quadratic equation?
Quadratic equation.
Okay, Abhinav. Yes, beta. An equation having highest power 2, right? Highest power 2, or you can say the degree is 2. That is called quadratic equation. So now standard form, or you can say general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Fine. Where a, b and c are real numbers. And a should not be equal to 0. Because if a will be 0, see, put 0 into x square. If a is equal to 0, then bx plus c is equal to 0. Then it will become linear equation. Right, beta? So a should not be equal to 0. Clear? What is your quadratic equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now next is, beta, in your exercise 1, first exercise, you have to verify. You have to check only whether the given equation is quadratic or not. So you have to check just your highest power. Suppose if I will give you that x plus 3 whole cube plus 5 will be equal to x plus 2 whole square plus 10. So how you will solve? First of all, you will open that. Right, beta? You will use the identity. So a plus b whole square. Sumok, tell me a plus b whole square.
A square plus b square plus 2ab.
A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 5 is equal to, same here we will apply this. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 10. So x square cancel. Now beta, have you got what is the power of x here?
1.
Tell me children, 1. So therefore, see, 9 plus 6 and 9 plus 5 is 14. You will write 14 plus 6x minus 4x minus 14. So 14 cancel, then 2x will be equal to 0. So now its highest power is 1. So therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So first exercise is this. Now next is find the roots find the roots. Find the roots, or if there is written find the solution, both are the same thing. And one more thing, zeros, right, beta? So these three words have the same meaning. It means you have to find the value of x. So suppose if you have given any quadratic equation, x square plus 7x plus 10. So this is a quadratic equation. How you will find the solution? So you will split the middle term, beta, right? Yes, ma'am. So for this, you will multiply last constant term with the coefficient of x square. So it will be 10 ones are 10. So children, now make the factors of 10 such that you will get 7. So if see, this is the one factor. If we are adding 10 plus 1, you will get 11. And if you are subtracting, then you will get 9. So our motive is not solved. So we will move to next factor. So 5 2s are 10. So if we are adding 5 and 2, so what you will get? 7, na? Yes, ma'am. So you will write instead of 7, 5 plus 2 like this. Now open the bracket, children. So x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now from first two terms, you can take x common. X plus 5. Now from last two terms, you can take 2 common. So it will be x plus. So now factors are x plus 2 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. So values of x are, now you will put them separately equal to 0. So values of x will be minus 2 and value of x will be minus 2. Understood, beta? Children, all have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only 2 or 3 children are replied.
Understood, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I'm done with
I
the
got
test.
x plus 2 and x plus 5. Is that?
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta?
it is x plus.
Ma'am, I got x plus 2 and x plus 5.
Ma'am, it is x plus 5, not x
Yes,
plus
yes.
3.
This is x plus 5 only. By mistake, I have written 5. See here, it is 5 only. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now and next is nature of the roots. Before nature of the roots, quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is, we have our general equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And quadratic formula will be equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Where b square minus 4ac is equal to discriminant. You will call it as discriminant. Okay. So to solve any quadratic equation, suppose if we are having 3x minus 10 and we have to find the factors, we have to find the solution. So you can use this formula also, beta. So compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So now compare value of a, b, c. Tell me value of a, b and c. Tell me, children. Value of a will be?
A is 1,
One.
B is 3, C is minus 1.
Yes, c
C is-
is minus.
Minus 2.
Right. So now apply the quadratic formula. X is minus 3 plus minus b square. So 3 square minus 4a. A is 1, c is minus 10. Divided by 2 into 1. So now minus 3 plus minus 3 square is 9 and 10 fours are 40. Divided by 2. Right, beta? So now minus 3 plus minus. It will be root 49 divided by 2. So minus 3 plus minus 7 you can write. Now you will take both the sign because our quadratic equation is there as its highest power 2. So it means two roots are there, right? So two roots means two values of x. So you will write x is equal to minus 3 plus 7 by 2 and minus 3 minus 7 by 2. Clear? So 7 minus 3 will be 4 by 2 and minus 7 minus 3 minus 10. So your answer will be 2 and minus. Clear,
1
beta?
minus 20.
Yes. Understood
Yes.
how you will apply this quadratic formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
have understood? Kindly show me your thumbs up or you can speak.
Ma'am, we can do the other method also right now if they ask.
Yes, beta. You can do by splitting the middle term also. Okay. Rizwana, understood, beta? Sudhamshu, Sumukh, Meher, Puriya, Dhairya,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Kashvi,
Yes.
Siddharth, Moksha, Pranya, Aryan, Abhinav. Yes. May I proceed to next, beta? Yes. As you people are writing,
Mama sent a question in the comment.
you have sent the.
Mama doubt in the chat.
Okay, okay. Just. Beta, they will ask you find the nature of the roots. Fine. See, next topic is this only, nature of the roots. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. May I proceed, beta?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, beta, next is nature of the roots. Means roots will be same, roots will be different, or roots will be not real. Okay. So nature of the roots is next topic. So if you have given this quadratic equation, your general equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then you will find. So first you will find the discriminant. Discriminant will be b square minus 4ac. This will not be asked in your exam. They will ask you only that find the solution of this quadratic equation, or they will ask you find the nature of the roots. Clear? So discriminant. So see, beta, one MCQ will be from this topic, nature of the roots. They will ask you whether the nature of the roots they are asking, or they will ask you find the value of k if the quadratic equation has real and equal roots. Okay. So now, first of all, you will find the discriminant. So there are three cases which are dependent on this discriminant. See, when discriminant is greater than 0, it means if the value of discriminant comes positive, plus 5, plus 10, plus something else. So then roots are real and different. Okay. Now second case is when discriminant is equal to 0. Okay. Then roots are real and equal. You can see minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. And or you can write minus b plus minus d upon 2a. Because discriminant is this value now only, b square minus 4ac. And if this will be given, so you will get minus b plus minus 0 divided by 2. So both roots will be minus 2 by a minus 2 by a. Clear, beta? So roots will be equal. Got it, my point? Now third case is when discriminant is less than 0, then roots are not real. So in this case, you will just leave your solution as it is till here only. No need to find further for x. Clear, beta? These three are the most important cases. And one question you will see in your exam from this topic only, nature of the roots. Clear? Those who have not written, kindly note this once again. Now we will do question based on this only. Will you write, children, or else I will
Ma'am.
proceed?
Ma'am,
Yes.
when does this class end again? Because it's only.
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, when does this class end?
At 8:10, beta. Pranaya has written in the chat, 8:10. Yes, children. So now may I proceed to next, beta? Please tell me.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Pranaya?
Ma'am, here they have given a discriminant is greater than 0 or less, right? Positive.
Yes.
So, like, what if the value of it is like something negative?
Negative. See, if you will get discriminant like minus 50, minus 5, right? So values will be in negative discriminant in third case. I will show you, don't worry. So negative values will be there. So children, may I proceed to next, beta? Please
Yes.
tell me.
Actually, the negative values will not be, they are no use.
They are not
They are
having
of no
real roots, right?
use.
So
Yes,
only
ma'am.
in case of real roots, you need to find the solution. Fine?
Okay.
Yes. See, suppose if a question is given like this, find the nature of the roots, and if roots are real, then find them. Okay. So suppose root 3x square minus 5x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. So first of all, you will compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Right, beta? So now write the values of a, b and c. Tell me, children, value of a and b and c.
A is root
Ma'am,
3,
A is
B is
A, B is B, C is C. Oh, sorry.
A,
Five,
b, b,
seven,
c,
eight,
c. Very good. Yes. Now, nature of the roots, for finding the nature of the root, you will calculate b square minus 4ac discriminant. Because all the conditions, all the cases based on this d only. So b is minus 5 whole square. You will write. A is your root 3 and c is your 7 root 3. Okay. So 5 5s are 25. Now 7 4s are is 28. Root 3 into root 3. 3. So you will write for 25 minus 28 3s are 84. Speak, children.
Yes, ma'am, 84.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, minus 59. So see, children, we have got the discriminant now, minus 59. This is less than 0. So therefore, you will write as discriminant is less than 0. So real roots doesn't exist. Clear, beta?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
Understood?
clear. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if roots will be real, if we have got value of d as 0 or value of d as positive plus, so then you can apply quadratic formula also. Okay. Or you can split the middle term also. So by any one of the method, you can find the solution. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So may I proceed to next type, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Speak, children. I guess today you all are
Yes, ma'am.
tired,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
See. Suppose if I will ask you that find the value of k find the value of k for which the equation k plus 4 into x square plus k plus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0 has equal roots. So here we have given this thing that the quadratic equation has real roots. So first of all, by comparing this, you will write the values of A, B, C. So what is the value of A, B, C? Tell me.
Ma'am, A is k plus 4, B is k plus 1, and C is 1.
K plus 4, K plus 1 and right. Now our next step is that we will find discriminant B square minus 4AC. So now put the values. So K plus 1 whole square minus 4 into A. A is K plus 4 and C is 1. Clear, beta? Now in the last, we have two words, equal roots. So you will write for equal roots. Your discriminant should be equal to 0. Clear, beta? So K plus 1 whole square minus 4 into K plus 4 will be equal to 6. So now you can open the bracket. So K square plus 1 A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 4K minus 60 is equal to 0. So K square minus 2K minus 15 is equal to 0. Now you can easily split the middle term. 15 ones are 50. Now make the factors. 5 threes are is 50. So now we want 2. So when you are subtracting 3 from 5, you will get 2 only. So K square minus 5 minus 3 into x minus 50. See, beta, if you will write your factors within the bracket, okay, then only you will get the right thing. Because here minus 2 is written. So before the bracket, there is a sign minus. Else you will be confused. So now open the bracket. K square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. Now take k common. Sorry, instead of x, k I have written x. So write here k, k, k. So now k common. So k minus 5. Take 3 common, k minus 5. So these two brackets should be same, right? So now k plus 3 and k minus 5. So now put them value equal to 0. So value of k will be minus 3 and value of k will be 5. This is the answer. Got it, beta? How you will find the value of k, or you can say unknown quantity. If instead of k, p is given or t is given, whatever it will be given, you have to apply this thing. Okay. For equal roots, you will just put your discriminant equal to C.
Yes,
So all
ma'am,
have
understood.
understood, children?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
understood.
ma'am.
Sumukh, Sudhamshu, Rizwana,
Yes, ma'am,
Pranya,
understood.
Puriya, Dhairya,
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth, Moksha,
Yes, ma'am.
Kashvi, understood, beta?
Yes.
Kashvi and Sumukh, are you writing?
Ma'am, wrote, ma'am.
Okay, till then, children, do this question. You all will do. Find the value of P. Find the value of P for which the equation have equal roots. P plus 1 x square minus 6 into P plus 1 into x plus 3 into P plus 9 is equal to 0. Start doing, children.
Ma'am, is it -6 of P plus 1?
Minus 6, beta. Minus 6 into P plus 1 into x.
Yes, ma'am.
Start doing, hurry up.
Ma'am, what roots does it have? Ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what roots does it have, ma'am? Or we have to factorize it?
They are asking find the value of P if the equation has real roots. So apply the condition that discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you trying, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So value of A is, children, P plus 1. Value
Yes,
of B
ma'am.
is minus 6 P plus 1. And value of C is 3 times P plus 9.
Ma'am, I got 24 P square plus 60 P plus 20 12 QP plus 12Q plus 36 is equal to 0.
Okay, let's check. So for equal roots, your discriminant should be equal to 0, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0, right? Now put
Ma'am, your voice is
the
breaking.
value b plus 1 whole square. Yes, beta? C is 3 times. I'm not audible.
Long.
Am I audible, children?
And now you are.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. No,
Am I
now
audible,
you're
children?
audible. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 4
Yes,
into
ma'am.
3 is 12. P plus 1 and P plus 9. It is 9. So now, from these two, you can take 12P plus 1 common, beta. Then 12 3s are and P plus 1
Ma'am, is
minus
it
12
P
is
plus 9 or P plus Q?
P plus 9, beta. This is 9 only.
Ma'am, even I took this Q first, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I also took it as Q.
No. Only P plus 9 is there. So now 12 into P plus 1 into 3 ones are 3, 3P plus 3 minus P minus 9. So it will be 0 and then 12 P plus 1, 3P minus P is 2P and 9 minus 3 is 6. Now put them equal to 0. So 12P plus 1 will be equal to 0 and then 2P minus 6 is equal to 0. Then P plus 1 is equal to 0. Value of P is minus 1 and 2P is equal to 6. Then value of P will be 3. Got it?
Yes,
Understood, children?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So these type of questions will come in our exam from this chapter. Okay. And one more thing, children. If you will Google search, then see the old book of maths, NCRT. Okay. So in old book, there is the exercise 4.3 in which you have to find the situational problem are there. Word problems are few word problems are there. Solve them also. Because these word problem can be asked as a case study question. Okay. Like motorboat question is there. Age question, ages question were there. And train question is there. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm sending worksheet also. 2 worksheets I'm sending. One is MCQ and second is of subjective one. Okay.
Okay.
So all have understood, children? Is there any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Bye-bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you,
beta.
ma'am.
We will meet tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye-bye, beta.